Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can arrange a component or object in your app projects in the Adalo app builder. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to that example app project here in the Adalo app builder. Zoom into your screen here and into one of your app screens and click into the component. Let me go with that task list here. So you can customize the position and arrange the given component here on the left hand side by clicking into these three dots next to the component name. Hover your mouse over arrange and decide whether you'd like to bring the component to front, to back, forward, backward. For instance, if your app screen here or page contains several components. So if I send it to the back, well, we don't see any changes because there's only that one component. But in relation to other components here, guys, you may change the arrangement here, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.